Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingo Foodies. Today I'm going to be sharing a no-yeast easy cinnamon rolls recipe. It's free from refined flour and refined sugar, and it's a perfect recipe for anyone looking for a wholesome, balanced alternative to store-bought cinnamon rolls. It's made with whole wheat flour and sweetened with dates. Plus, it's quick and easy as well as it doesn't require yeast. So if you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. Let's start by making the date filling. Into a small bowl, add 5 to 6 soft dates. I am using Medjool dates, but any variety works. Pour in 1/4 cup hot water and let them soak until they are soft and tender. Once they are soaked, transfer the dates to a blender. Add 1 teaspoon cinnamon powder, and blend till it turns into a smooth and creamy paste. The date filling is ready. We'll keep this aside. Now into a medium-sized bowl, we'll add 1 cup whole wheat flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, 1 teaspoon cornstarch, which helps make the buns lighter and softer. We'll give it a good mix. Now we'll add 1 tablespoon olive oil or any oil of your choice, 2 tablespoon honey or any other sweetener of your choice, and half cup plain yogurt. Now combine everything with your hands to form a soft dough. The dough is ready. Now we'll take a rolling board, dust some flour, place the dough and using a rolling pin, roll it out into a thin rectangular shape. Now spread the date filling evenly over the dough. Tightly roll the dough into a log. Using a sharp knife, cut it into 8 slices. Now arrange the slices in a baking pan. And bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for around 30 minutes. These whole wheat cinnamon rolls are perfectly baked. We'll let them cool for some time. These no-yeast whole wheat cinnamon rolls are the perfect treat for tea time. They are easy to make and free from refined flour and sugar, making them a healthier alternative to store-bought cinnamon rolls. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you are looking for an easy peasy wholesome cinnamon rolls recipe, do give it a try and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.